Welcome back everyone. In today's quick tips video we are going to discuss how to install and take advantage of option trays. Option trays are practical attachments you can add to your Sawgrass printer that allow you to print using different media sizes without needing to change the paper you are using in the main print tray. For example, when using an option tray, you can have mug-sized paper in your main tray and traditional letter paper in the option tray. That way when you print different sized projects, you can easily switch between the paper source needed for that project. To install the option tray, first turn off your printer and unplug the power cord. Then disconnect the USB or Ethernet cable. Please remove the option tray and all its contents from the box. Place the option tray onto an even and sturdy surface and remove all tape from the tray. To connect your printer, please gently lift and hover your printer above the option tray. Align the connecting parts of the machine and tray and then slowly lower the printer onto those connecting parts. You should feel no resistance when lowering the printer, and the corners of the two devices should line up evenly. Please be careful when moving your printer and do not strain your body. After connecting the two devices, make sure to attach the clamping plate and secure it with the provided screw. The clamping plate can be found in a small plastic bag alongside the assembly directions of your option tray. Please note that this clamp and its corresponding screw will require a small screwdriver to properly assemble. It is recommended you securely fasten this screw before moving on to the next step. If needed, this clamp can be removed if you ever need to detach from your option tray. Once the device is properly secured, you can then reconnect your printer and power your machine back on. You can now reconnect your USB or Ethernet cord as well. The final step to connect your option tray is to add the tray to your recognized devices. To do so with Windows, you will open the Bluetooth and Devices section of your computer settings. This can be accessed through the Start menu on the bottom of your computer. You will then select Printers and Scanners, followed by Printer Properties, and then Accessories. To properly connect your option tray to the necessary printer, make sure the Tray to setting is checked under the Options setting and hit Apply. For Mac users, a similar process is needed. To connect to your Mac, you will go to Printers and Scanners underneath your System Preferences. Select the printer you want to work with and then click on Options and Supplies. The next step is to choose Options and toggle the additional tray setting to the on position and select OK. Your option tray is now properly set up and ready to use with your Sawgrass printer. Whenever you wish to use your option tray, you will select that option underneath Media Source within Sawgrass Print Utility. That's all for today. See you next time.